What's up, Matt from Urchfab. In this video I'm showing you some quick tips for plug welding holes in sheet metal steel. So someone asked me if I could do a video on some plug welding, so I'm guessing they're on about welding up little holes. I got a cool little trick which seems to work well for doing this. The obvious easy way to get around welding a hole is to back it with a piece of aluminium or something. I've usually got this dolly to hand if I'm in a car or something, so I might just stick that behind the hole. On this rough side, it's got paint on it and stuff, and it generally won't, the weld won't stick to this because it's too thick. A bit of aluminium is better, but quite a lot of the time you've got holes you've got to fill and you can't get anything to the back of it. So when you're trying to weld it up, you end up blowing bigger holes. And yeah, so I got a little trick of how you can just get those filled in without too much stress. Got some 6mm holes, an 8mm hole, and a 10mm hole. We're going to fill all them in with no backing behind it or anything. It can be a little bit long-winded, but so what I'm going to try and do is basically just stick some blobs of, I'm not even really trying to actually get a good weld to it, I'm just sticking blobs of melted wire around the outer edge of this hole. And what seems to help with doing this is to run the torch quite far back from where you would normally have it. You would normally have it quite close up like that. Pull it back a bit, and then as soon as the wire hits the edge of it, you're letting go of the trigger and you're just blobbing little balls of weld just to the outer edge of it. And then once you've got a few of those built up, you can give it one good zap, you know, just on one side, and then do the same a bit around here. And you're just going to build it up, you know, build a few up, one good zap, build a few more up, another good zap, you know, and then by the time you've got around here, you'll be able to zap the whole lot in. Alright, there we go. Flatted them off. That's the back side of it. So I did that at 17 volts on the MIG. Alright, so that is it for my little quick video tip on welding up holes in car body panel stuff. That's going to come in handy for anyone restoring a car, or it works the same if you've just blown a hole. If you've been trying to weld something up and you've just blown a hole, you can use the same technique to then fill that in. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.